Hello again. I'm Dr. Stephen Davidson, the Sexual Integrity Coach located in Wilton Manors, Florida. Thank you for tuning in to another episode of Adult Sex Education. A viewer recently messaged me and asked for my thoughts about poppers and if they are safe to use during sex. This was a request that followed my video on gay P&P, party and play culture. I'll get to that subject in a minute, but first I want to thank the viewer for the topic. Subscribers are driving this channel now, and I'm depending on you to let me know what you want to hear. If you haven't subscribed yet, it is free, so please do so now. Poppers are a type of recreation drug commonly used among gay men during sexual activity. However, straight people can use them too, so I don't want to leave anyone out. When inhaled, they cause a brief rush of euphoria and heightened sensations that can intensify pleasure, increase arousal, and enhance orgasms. Inhaling poppers leads to the dilation of blood vessels, resulting in increased blood flow and a warm sensation throughout the body. This heightened sensitivity can contribute to a more fulfilling sexual experience for some individuals. Poppers are a nitrate that is legally sold in the U.S., but it's illegal to consume them as a drug. They are sometimes sold as video head cleaner or room deodorizer to disguise their popularity as a recreational substance. Some people report that using poppers reduces inhibitions and increases confidence during sexual activity. The very brief euphoric rush may help them feel more comfortable exploring their desires or engaging in new experiences that they might otherwise shy away from due to shame or taboo. Poppers seems to break the ice and let them push through to the other side, pursuing the activity that they really want but might not have the courage to pursue without a substance. Also, many gay or bi men who identify as bottoms find that they can receive their partners easier and faster after taking a hit. As I've stated a few times, the experience is very brief and only lasts a few minutes at most. The downside of this is that some individuals may use repeatedly, one hit after another, trying to sustain an experience that otherwise doesn't last very long. Frequent use can have some negative side effects. Due to the short-lived benefit, use of poppers is more habitual than addictive because you will have to inhale again after only a few minutes in order to sustain the altered experience. While poppers is safer than some other recreational substances often paired with sexual activity, it still has its risk. Poppers can cause dizziness, headaches, and nausea. The rapid drop in blood pressure is not good for someone who already has problems with blood pressure or is dealing with heart disease. Some men find that this drop in blood pressure impairs their ability to sustain an erection. They might have enhanced desire, but they can't do anything with it. Many people describe a hangover effect on the morning after excessive popper use. Some people report sinus discomfort 1 or more days after use. Research has demonstrated that prolonged and excessive use of poppers can lead to eye damage, respiratory problems, and even cognitive impairment. As the sexual integrity coach, I am frequently encouraging people to lean into their erotic fantasies and desires, but to do that in a way that is sober. If you have to be drugged to enjoy something, is it really that enjoyable to begin with? Just sex alone releases a lot of natural neurochemicals in the brain that enhance pleasure. When we turn to substances to override those natural experiences, we can easily rely on them for euphoria. Those who believe in sex addiction cite the natural release of dopamine during sexual activity as the substance they're trying to abstain from. If sex alone can be that intoxicating, are substances really necessary to enhance the experience? Poppers, like everything else in life, comes with risk. Whether you take the risk or not is up to you. I'm Dr. Stephen Davidson, the Sexual Integrity Coach. I hope you will like this video and subscribe to this channel. Please check out my website at sexualintegritycoach.com. There you'll find links to both of my books, Sexual Integrity, Finding the Courage to Be Yourself, as well as Peaceful Mind, Peaceful Life, the guidebook to happiness.